Hey peeps, Matt Smocks here. I'm in Honesdale. Why, you might be asking, am I out here? My car's there, so I had to skip it. Well, I was working on Wanamie 9 here. They let me use their sandblasting cabinet, which broke halfway through. And yeah, I got some work done on the engine. Stuff sanded, some stuff painted. I have to go through with the goo removal. All the paint is off those parts that I mentioned previously. And I might as well just give you a little tour around. Down there is the deadline. The FL9 down there sadly won't be staying. It's going to Cincinnati dinner train, so go tell them, you know, don't change it, please. Here's the consist. The BL2 is out of service because it's getting a new part, which is coming tomorrow. This is their main yard. I got to go inside the BL2, that was fun. There's a backhoe. Yeah, so some work has been done. This is a fun railroad. Great people. I got to see Scranton car 505 is in there. And there's also a steam tractor, which I helped them out a little bit with. Here's the scrap pile. I have an item they want. I got a map of the Wyoming division. I could help them out in the future, hopefully. Just to look around. Here's part of the box car that they cut down. There's a CP Canadian Pacific speeder back there, which is really nice. I might even try to get it off them, you know, maybe, who knows, we'll see. I want an arm from the leg for it. Some cranes. Now, funny fact, they have two Canadian Pacific FP7s, right? You can see both of them in the shot. And they have two Montreal commuter coaches. You could see both in the shot. And ironically, both of the FP7s went to Montreal commuter service. So, a Montreal FP7 with a Montreal coach connected to it in two different spots in 3 different paint schemes. Incredible, isn't it? Yeah. We're along the side of the canal. We're a freight house location, and that's all that's going on for today. So I'm going to get these parts back home. Tomorrow I'm going to use the rust cutter on the parts that I sanded all the paint off, at least, and I'll paint those up. So that's just an update on the engine.